Hello, guys. Welcome to Ramta Solutions. Welcome to your grade 12 mathematics equations and inequalities exam prep. Today's question paper is from the Northwest Province. This is the mathematics paper 1 of September 2024. So, because we are doing exam papers, it's important that we read instructions. All of them are important, but for this particular section, which is equations and inequality, I'm going to read some of the instructions that I think are very key. For example, instruction number 4, show all calculations, diagrams, graphs, etc. that you have used in determining your answers. Instruction number 5, answers only will not necessarily be awarded full marks. That's very key. Instruction 7, if necessary, round off answers to 2 decimal places unless stated otherwise. Instruction 9, in case you use quadratic formula, in fact you do use it. An information sheet with formulas is included at the end of the question paper. Instruction 10, of course, this one is very key. Yes, you are working for distinctions, but also make sure that you improve the presentation of your work. In other words, write neatly and legibly. Okay? All right. Let's go now. So we have 24 minutes to finish this section. Okay? We have 24 minutes to finish this section. Remember, in your exam, every mark is equivalent to 1 minute. So 1 mark, 1 minute. 24 marks in total, 24 minutes in total for this section. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, we should be done at like 26 rather, or 27 minutes. Okay, so let's start. 1.1, solve for x. 1.1.1. When you have open brackets, 2x minus 6, close, open, x plus 5, close, equals 0. If you like, this is 2x equals 6, then it becomes x equals 3, or x equals negative 5. Happy? Great. 1.1.2. I'm just going to write this here. I meant, let me change the color. So, I meant here you have 2x equals 6, and then it comes here. Okay? Okay, then go back. 1.1.2. We are then saying 7x squared minus 11x plus 3 equals 0. Correct to 2 decimal places. When you see such questions, they are basically telling you that use a quadratic formula. Okay? A quadratic formula is given in the information sheet. It is the first formula. So it is x equals minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So what is the value of b? The value of b is negative 11. What is the value of b again? We said it's negative 11. The value of a is 7. The value of c is positive 3. Right? You said the value of a is 7. Okay? Oh, by the way, let me just show you the quadratic formula. Here is it. Do you see this? It is the first equation, or the first formula. All right? Good. All right, proceeding. 11 times negative 11 is positive 11. Woo. Or to simplify, what is under the square root? 11 squared, negative 11 squared, it'll be positive 11. So it'll be positive 1 to 1. So 1 to 1 minus 21 times 4 is 84. So 1 to 1 minus 84, it'll be 37. So this becomes the square root of 37 all over 14. Okay. All right. So let's see. 11 squared minus 4 times 7 times 3. Indeed, it's 37. Now, we will need to say, okay, fraction 11 plus minus, by the way, plus square root of 37 all over 14. What is it? It is 1,22, or x equals, you change this minus, you put a minus, it will be 0 equals 3.5. Remember, they said correct to 2 decimal places. All right, cool. So we have done 2 questions, 5 marks. Okay, we are on the right track. Now let's go to 1.1.3. 1.1.3, we have x squared is greater or equal to 5x. You must put it in standard form, ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so it'll be x squared minus 5x is greater or equal to 0. I see a common factor of x here, so we will be left with x minus 5 close is greater or equal to 0. Okay, then what are our critical values? Our critical values, even if you write CV, it's okay. Our critical values will be x equals 0, as you can see, and x equals 5. So 0 and 5. Therefore, this is a parabola. To get your answer, you can draw a parabola and say the lowest here is 0, the highest is 5. They said it must be greater or equal to 0, meaning the values must be above. This is the x-axis. The values must be above the x-axis. So we'll say, okay, this means x is less or equal to 0, or x is greater or equal to 0. And then we are good. Okay, great stuff. So we are on the right track, isn't it? So 4 marks, we did it in less than a minute. So we are good. Right, we are good. It's x is greater or equal to 5. Right, good. All right, now 1.1.4. This is not a cube root, so it is 3 times square root of x plus 12 minus x equals 8. This you can represent it like this. Take x to the other side. X plus 12 is equal to 8 plus x. Now square both sides. I'm just going to take this step here slowly. I'm just going to take it slowly, guys. Okay, square both sides. Okay, square both sides. 9 squared, 3 squared rather, will be 9 times the square root squared. It'll be whatever that is under the square root. Right? It will be whatever that is under the square root, isn't it? Good. And this is x squared plus 16x plus 64, isn't it? Good. Then we have 9 times x is 9x. 9 times 12 is 108. Yes, it's 108. And then x squared plus 16x plus 64. So we'll say 0 equals x squared. Now we collect like terms. 16x minus 9x must be positive 7x. 64 minus 108 minus 108 will be negative 44. Right, will be negative 44. I see 11. Okay, I'm thinking 44. I'm seeing 11, so I'm going to be saying 4 times 11. Right? But the bigger factor must take the sign of the middle. This one is the biggest. Right? So we have x equals 4 or x equals negative 11. Right? But let's see. I'm going to start with 4. Remember, guys, when you look at this equation that is given here, the highest power is 1. This means you can only have one possible solution. Okay, the maximum solutions is 1. The highest power, because of the variable x, the highest power of the variable x is 1. So only one solution is possible. So let's see. We said we found x equals 4. So let's see. Let's see, x equals 4. So let me just do this. Let me use a pen here, a red pen. So I'm going to say 3 times what is x? I put 4. Ne? 4 plus 12 minus 6. Right? What is this, by the way? It is the left-hand side. Right? So let's see. 3 times Okay, 4 plus 12 is 16. Square root of 16 is, what is square root of 16? It's 4, right? Square root of 16 is 4. So this is, in fact, use your calculator, guys. Yeah, use your calculators, please. I don't know. I'm used to, whenever I'm in this section, I don't use a calculator. But yeah, use your calculator. 3 square root of 16 is 4. 3 times 4, or is 3 times 4, is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. So this is 8. It is equal to the right hand side. Right? It is equal to the right hand side. As you can see, the right hand side is 8. So x equals 4 is valid. This one is not valid. Right? This one here is not valid. So you can say an A not applicable, or you can put a cross here. Okay, whichever you like, it's okay. So this one is not valid, but x equals 4 is the one that's valid. Okay, if you found one to be valid, you don't have to test with another one. Okay, especially because the highest power is 1. Okay, cool. Now let's see. Moving on. 1.2. Let's see, guys. So we have done about 15 marks, 15 questions, and we are on the 11th minute of the video. We are on the right track, isn't it? Good. 1.2, we have 2y equals 5 plus x. We will call it equation 1. And then we have y squared plus 3xy equals 2x squared plus 50. We will call it equation 2. So I will say here we have x equals 2y minus 5. This is equation 3 from equation 1. Okay, now you substitute equation 3. Okay, let me just indicate. I know there are those that are not getting this question right. Substituting equation 3 into equation 2, meaning into the equation that you didn't use for equation 3. So where there's x in equation 2, you're going to put 2y minus x. So we say y squared plus 3y, where there's x, we put 2y minus 5 equals 2 times 2y minus 5 all squared plus 15. So this is y squared plus 6y squared minus 15y equals 2 into, this will be 4y squared. Let's see. Minus 10, it'll be minus 20y plus 25 close plus 50. Great. So we have 7y squared minus 15y equals 2 times 4, 8y squared minus 40y plus 50 plus 50. Okay, this must go to the other side. 0 equals y squared, isn't it? 0 equals y squared. Oh, 40 minus 15 minus 25 minus 25y plus 100. Then 0 equals, we can factorize 25, 20 times 5. Y minus 5, y minus 20. So the bigger must be negative, but it must be positive 5. So it will then be y equals negative 5 or y equals 20. Then you substitute this value into equation 3. Remember, equation 3 was 2y minus 5, right? Equation 3 was 2y minus 5. So y is negative 5. What do we get? 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Isn't it? It is negative 10. So let's see. What are we saying? Y equals, is y equals negative 5. Did I do the right thing? Oh no, I didn't. My answers here are not right. Thank you. My answers here are not right. So let me fix this. The bigger will take the negative side. The bigger will take Is the bigger taking the negative sign? No, both are negative. Both are negative, all right? Both are negative because 100 is positive. So y equals 5 or y equals 20. Thank you, guys. So y equals 5, isn't it? So it's correct. Y equals 5. So 2 times 5, is it? 2 times 5 minus 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, isn't it? 10 minus 5 is 5. So x equals 5. And here, we said y is 20. Let's go. 2 times 5 is 40. 40 minus 5 is 35. So y is 35. Isn't it? Y is 35. Happy? And these are our answers. So let's see. We are done. We have now done about 20. Let's see. Oh, this was 5, 9, 14, 20 minutes. So in like 20 minutes, we have done. Oh, wow. We are on the right track. Good. Now, the last question. Interesting. Let me zoom it in. This one. Let me zoom it in. Okay, let me zoom it in. Good. So you see with this one, we are looking for, they say 2p to, okay, let's just do this. 2 to the p minus 1 close all to the power 3 is equal to the 7th root to the power k. But what they have given us, they told us that we have, for example, we have 6 to the p is equal to 81. But let's simplify this first. So we will have 2 to the 6p times 2 to the minus 3 all over square root of 7. Maybe let me put it like this. It's the same as 7k over 2. Okay, it's the same as that. So what I can do now is I just want to simplify this. This is 2 to the 6p over 2 to the 3 times 7 to the k over 2. All right. Now, what is 2 to the 6p? It is 81, isn't it? And then 2 to the 3 is 8, isn't it? What is 7 to the k? 7 to the k is 729. Now, this is to the power half, isn't it? So, remember, guys, a power half means that you are saying a square root. So, square root of 729 will be 27. Will be 27. Right? Will be 27. So, this is 81 over 8 times 27. Right? Therefore, 27 into 81 goes 3 times. Therefore, our answer is 3 over 8. Okay, our answer is 3 over 8. Let me quickly show you. I hope you guys followed. Right? You see this? And this is how we answer such questions. Check. We were done with a 24 marks question in less than 24 minutes. Check. We were done in like 18 minutes. Roughly, we spent 16 minutes on our solutions. So, with that being said, ours ends here. And remember, if you would like to follow us, because you're watching on YouTube, please subscribe. You can like, you can comment, and you can also share the video. And if you want to follow us on social media, you can also click the links in the description of this video. All right. So with that being said, we would like to say all the best in your examinations. All right. So bye-bye.